Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope all of you will be fine. Today we are going to solve exercise of chapter number 4. The name of the chapter is Matter and its Characteristics. Tick the correct answer. Which one of the following has the most volume? Book, pencil, scale, cricket bat. And D is the correct answer. Which one of these groups is the correct example of three states of matter? Snow, rain, cloud, dew, rain, water vapors, snow, cloud, steam, rain, water vapors, cloud, and A is the correct answer. In a cup of hot water, put 2 spoons made of steel and wood. After a few minutes, the steel spoon will become hot, whereas the wooden spoon will not become hot. What does it show? The steel became hot soon in the presence of wood. Metal is a better conductor of heat than wood. Wood is a better conductor of heat than metal. Metal heats the water quickly than wood, and B is the correct answer. A piece of ice has been put into a large glass of water. Which picture is shown the correct position of ice cube? C is the correct answer. Study the following table. Properties of matter number 1, properties of matter number 2. Transmit heat quickly, transmit heat slowly. Solid, solid. Does not dissolve in water, dissolves in water. According to the above table, which statement is correct about matter number 1 and matter number 2? Matter number 1 is glass and matter number 2 is soil. Matter number 1 is copper and matter number 2 is wood. Matter number 1 is iron and matter number 2 is sugar. Matter number 1 is cork and matter number 2 is gold, and C is the correct answer. Water, ice and steam all have different temperatures. What is the order from coldest to hottest? Steam, ice, water, ice, steam, water, ice, water, steam, and D is the correct answer. Write short answers. Define matter and write the names of its three states. Everything which occupies space and possesses mass is called matter. Matter exists in three states: solid, liquid, gas. Differentiate between solid and liquid. Solids. Solids have definite shapes and volume. In solids, the particles are closely packed. Liquid have definite volume, but their shape is not definite. In liquid, particles are at some distance from each other. Which state of matter has lowest density? Gases has lowest density. State the arrangement of particles in solid. In solid, the particles are strongly attached with each other. These particles have strong forces of attraction. The particles vibrate only in their mean position. Why are cooking utensils made of metal? Metals are good conductor of heat. That is why cooking utensils are made of metals. Constructed response question. Why does the electrician wear rubber gloves while repairing the electric switch at your home? The electrician wear rubber gloves during repairing of electric switch because they are insulators. Current cannot pass through them. Why is metal used in the bell? Metal is a conductor. The sound produced in metal is high. That is why metal used in the bell. Why are metals preferred for making ornaments? Metals are preferred for making ornaments due to its shining beauty and durability. Here are some additional questions too. Name some physical properties of matter. Physical properties includes mass, volume, temperature, ability to conduct electricity. Why solid cannot be pressed? Solid cannot be pressed easily because they have attractive force in them. They maintain their definite shape and volume. Why write different colors of metals? Metals occur in different colors: gold, yellow, copper, red, silver, white, aluminium, light blue.